direct cool refrigerator. 190 liter capacity, energy rating, 3-star warranty, 1 year on product, 5 years on compressor, 9 hours cooling retention during power cut, sample bottle storage space. 2 dedicated door racks, chill up to 3 2-liter bottles and 5 1-liter bottles, toughened glass shelves, modern design and/or lock stabilizer free. Operation: Whirlpool refrigerators can stably operate even in high fluctuation of voltage 130V 300V and do not require a separate stabilizer.
Thanks for watching JP Store. Please do subscribe, like, share,